The rainy day? It was a rainy Saturday. Two children, a brother and sister named Tom and Lily, were at home. They could not play outside. "I'm bored," said Tom. "Me too," said Lily. "I have an idea. Let's explore the attic." The attic was the room. At the very top of their house was old, dark, and a little scary, but also very exciting. They decided to go. The dusty attic. Tom and Lily climbed the creaky stairs to the attic. Sunlight came through a small, dirty window. The air was dusty. There were tall stacks of newspapers, a broken rocking horse, and furniture covered in white sheets. "Wow," whispered Lily. "So many old things live here." It looked like a room full of forgotten treasures. The hidden box. They used a flashlight to look in the dark corners. Behind a big, dusty wardrobe, Tom saw something small. "Lily, come look." "Out," he called. It was a dark brown wooden box. It was not very big, but it looked special. It had a small, rusty metal lock on the front. It seemed like it had been waiting there for a long time. The stuck lock. They carried the box to the middle of the room. "Let's open it," said Lily. Tom tried to open the rusty lock, but it was stuck. He pulled and pushed, but it did not move. "It's no use," he said. Then Lily found a small pin on the floor. She carefully pushed it into the lock. With a small click sound, the box opened. A glimpse inside. Slowly, they lifted the lid. There was no gold or jewels. Inside, they found an old photo. It showed a young man with a kind smile playing a guitar. There was also a shiny silver key and a piece of yellow paper. The paper had music notes on it. "Who is this man?" Lily asked. "Grandma's story." They took the box downstairs and showed everything to Grandma. She put on her glasses and looked at the picture. "Oh my," she said with a smile. "This is your great-grandfather. He loved music very much. I have not seen this picture in many years." The secret key. Grandma looked at the silver key. "I know what this is for," she said. She went to an old cabinet and took out another wooden box. It was a little bigger. It had a keyhole. "Your great-grandfather made this music box, but we lost the key many years ago. We thought it was just a decoration." The beautiful song. Lily carefully put the silver key into the music box and turned. It was the same song from the paper in the attic box. The family sat and listened to the music together. It was their great-grandfather's song, a special part of their family's story.